Yes, we know. You've been shopping for a third brake light upgrade for quite some time. Always discouraged when the search results return nothing but the same old El Cheapo options out there. Well, that's no longer the case because Morimoto has finally come out with their X3B, which has been incredibly popular for your Chevy Colorado. This is the one that you've been waiting for. This thing is a no-compromise brake light and bed light that offers the perfect pairing of style, performance, and utility. And like I said, it's now available for your 2015 plus Chevy Colorado. Modern headlights have come quite a long way. Same with modern taillights, they've also come quite a long way. So why is it that GM is still speccing the same 20-plus-year-old technology in your third brake light? It's time to change that. The X3B is the perfect grand finale for detail-oriented enthusiasts who just say no to stock. The pronounced 3D brake light optics are as modern as it gets, yet tasteful, complemented by the clear optics that illuminate the bed, all wrapped up inside of a stylish piano black polycarbonate housing. Here, this is where form really meets function. Now inside, the quad brake light optics are just as effective as they are attractive. 4 jewel-like optics molded from optical-grade clear polycarbonate are paired with powerful 3-watt LEDs that create a high-intensity brake light setup that's easily visible both day and night. An optional F1-style rapid flash module is also available and pretty easy to install. Now, when it comes to the bed lights that illuminate your truck bed, this part is usually an afterthought when it comes to these things because most of the factories out there are mostly concentrated on how they look. Not so much the case with the Morimoto X3B. These things have optically engineered rail-style optics that have been purposely designed to effectively illuminate your bed without any dead spots. And so while the X3B does look cool, it's also a major upgrade for enthusiasts who value utility and you actually use their trucks too. These things are also easy to install too because the X3B reuses all the original mounting points and it fits like the factory brake light, and it's also going to plug and play with the stock wire harness. 0 modifications required for the install, which should take just a few minutes. All right guys, this is a very easy install, so let's dig right in. First things first, remove the 2 T20 Torx head screws that secure the factory third brake light to the vehicle. And then you can pull the brake light assembly away from the back end of the truck. Depress the tab on the brake light connector and pull away from the assembly to disconnect the plug. With the third brake light assembly removed from the vehicle, take this time to thoroughly clean underneath the assembly. Make sure the area all around the housing is free of dirt and debris so that the new assembly can properly seal against the truck. This is very important. Do not skip this step. After everything is nice and clean, you can go ahead and connect the included adapter harness to the vehicle's factory third brake light connector. Now, if you're going to be installing the Morimoto X3B Rapid Flash module, which is sold separately, follow these steps. Now, if you're not installing this module, you can skip ahead. Connect the Rapid Flash module to the adapter harness, and then find a suitable location in the brake light cavity to mount the Rapid Flash module, where it's not in the way of the brake light housing, but is close enough for the module to plug into the back of the third brake light. Make sure this area has been thoroughly cleaned also, and remove the backing on the adhesive on the back of the module to secure it to the sheet metal inside the cavity. From here, lift the new brake light assembly up to the vehicle and connect the adapter harness, or the Rapid Flash module if installed, to the connector on the back of the housing. Fit the new brake light assembly into the light cavity and secure it to the vehicle using the 2 factory T20 Torx head screws. Tighten that until it's hand tight. Do not use power tools and do not over tighten this or you may crack the plastic. That would be bad. From here, just get in the vehicle and confirm that all of the functions are working properly. It helps to have a friend for this step. Here at Morimoto, we pride ourselves on offering products that are both stylish and safe for serious enthusiasts, which is why all of our products are tested and verified by independent third-party labs. That's also why we offer an industry-leading 5-year warranty on everything that we sell. So if you've got a 2015 and newer Chevy Colorado and you've been looking for the right time to upgrade the third brake light on your truck, that time is now. The new X3Bs for the Colorado are finally out.